You know what time it is. It's another day to get better. Let's look at this problem. The first 5 terms of an arithmetic sequence are 7, 21, 35, 49, and 63. Let t sub n represent the nth term of the sequence. What is the value of t sub 25? The explicit formula for an arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. The n represents the term number we're predicting. A sub 1 represents the first term, while d represents our common difference. Let's look at how to calculate the common difference. First, let's rewrite our terms. 7, 21, 35, 49, 63. To calculate the common difference, we begin with the last term and subtract the term before it. 63 minus 49 is 14. 49 minus 35 is 14. 35 minus 21 is 14. And 21 minus 7 is 14 as well. As we see, the 14 is constant, so we can safely say that our d, our common difference, equals to 14. Now let's find the 25th term. We're looking for the 25th term, so let's substitute in a sub 25 equals a sub 1, our first term, which is 7, plus 25 minus 1 times our common difference, which is 14. Let's continue to solve. A sub 25 equals 7 plus 24 times 14. A sub 25 equals 7 plus 336. A sub 25 equals 343. Our correct answer is B. Remember, everything is mathematics.